little bit of a dinner.
Nothing crazy.
Welds look good.
Oh, looks like this tip plate got some too.
Awesome.
Good. Still have the gap here. Still have the gap here. That's good. All right. That's good. All right, now side cut 22.
The probe is better in this corner.
Way better.
Look at the skid plate too.
That's good. This is good.
How do we look? How do we look?
Great, no welds broken.
Yeah? Not
Yeah,
rattling?
great gap. No, not at all.
Go.
Bark busters also happen. Oh, there's rocks embedded. Oh.
Take a shot of the ground of the stuff that it ripped up.
Let's see, how's that gap?
Good. Solid.
A little bit of the skid plate.
There's still clearance up front. In case you were wondering,
Welds look amazing.
skid plate. Got some
Skid plate. Yeah, just scrapes, no bends. Awesome. Shifter got bent, that's okay.
We're golden. Go. How do we look, fellas?
Really good.
There's a gap.
How's that gap?
Gap.
How's that gap?
There's more space here.
It's a little tighter than what it was, but it's still
Yeah,
good.
of course. And it's only the sticker that came off.
Yeah, nice.
Bark busters. Thank you very much.
Yeah, they're working overtime.
Good, good, good.
Working overtime.
Good, good, good.
Welds look amazing. I don't think that tab got as bent as the other side at all, actually.
GS.